Have you guys ever seen Jurassic Park? Good. Well, keep watching this. Have you guys ever had a dream that you want to hear a real life dinosaur sound if you lived in 65 million years ago? Well, you're in luck. I figured out top 5 real life dinosaur sounds that scientists discovered. Let's go. Coming in number 5 is the Velociraptor. Its name means swift Caesar. Velociraptor was a carnivore that lived during the Cretaceous period, over 71 million years ago. The Velociraptor had those two curved claws that he used to get his food. Now, let's listen to the real-life Velociraptor. Okay, that's a Velociraptor. Now, coming number 4 is the Spinosaurus. Its name means spine lizard because the bony sail on its back. Spinosaurus was a carnivore that lived during the Cretaceous period, over 95 million years ago. Now you know about the Spinosaurus, let's take a look what it really sounds like. Coming in number 3, the Brachiosaurus. Its name means armed lizard because his legs were longer at the front than the back. Brachiosaurus was a huge herbivore that lived during the late Jurassic period, over 150 million years ago, and this Brachiosaurus is a sauropod. And what's a sauropod? Sauropods means long-necked dinosaurs, such as the Brachiosaurus. Now you know about the Brachiosaurus, it's time to listen what the real-life Brachiosaurus sounds like. Coming in number 2 is the Parasaurolophus. Its name means near-crusted lizard. The Parasaurolophus was a herbivore that lived during the late Cretaceous period, over 65 million years ago. The Parasaurolophus had that curved crust on its head that used to communicate with other Parasaurolophus. Now let's take a look what does a real-life Parasaurolophus really sound like. Alright, time for the last one, the Tyrannosaurus rex. Its name means tyrant lizard king because it was the king of the dinosaurs. T-Rex was a carnivore that lived during the late Cretaceous period, over 65 million years ago. T-Rex had those really cool teeth. In fact, they were about big as bananas. Alright, you've all been waiting for. Let's see what a real-life T-Rex sounded like. Thank you guys for watching this video.